So let's talk about the difference between a tub and a shower. It's a common question when considering home improvements, and understanding the key differences can really help you make the best choice for your needs. A tub is a large basin-like fixture primarily used for bathing. It's designed to hold water and provide a comfortable space for you to sit or lie down while you bathe. It typically allows for a more leisurely and relaxing experience as one can soak in the water. This can be especially soothing after a long day, providing a moment of tranquility and self-care. Tubs come in various styles, including clawfoot, alcove, and freestanding. Each type caters to different aesthetic preferences and space requirements, giving you plenty of options to choose from based on your personal taste and the layout of your bathroom. They are ideal for those who enjoy taking baths and have the time to indulge in them. On the other hand, a shower is a smaller, enclosed area equipped with a nozzle that sprays water for cleansing purposes. Showers are more practical for daily use, as they provide a quick and efficient way to clean oneself. They are favored by individuals with busy lifestyles who prioritize convenience and functionality. Additionally, showers are often preferred in households with limited space, as they occupy less room compared to tubs. Ultimately, the choice between a tub and a shower depends on personal preferences, lifestyle, and space constraints. Some individuals may opt for a combination of both by installing a shower-tub combo, offering the versatility of both bathing options in one fixture. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful advice.